Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve the problem of UPSC Maths Optional Paper 1 question from topic Ordinary Differential Equation. Here is the given question. Find the particular solution using method of variation of parameters, and the differential equation is given by y double dash minus y dash minus 6y is equal to e की power minus x. Let's solve the problem. Given differential equation is given differential equation is y double dash minus y dash minus 6y is equal to e की power minus x. Comparing given differential equation with y double dash plus px y dash plus qx y is equal to r. From here we have to get the value of r, that is e to the power minus x, and let this is equation 1. Corresponding homogeneous equation of 1 is corresponding homogeneous equation of 1 is, it is y double dash minus y dash minus 6y is equal to 0. Its auxiliary equation is it is m square minus m minus 6 is equal to 0. On factorization, that is m square minus 2m plus 3m minus 6 is equal to 0. This is minus and this is plus. From here taking m is a common, that is m plus 2, and from here minus 3 is common, that is m plus 2 is equal to 0, and from here that is m plus 2 and m minus 3 is equal to 0. We get the value of m is m is equal to minus 2 and 3. The general equation of the general solution of equation 1 is, that is y is equal to c1 e की power minus 2x plus c2 e की power 3x. This is equation 2, and from here let y1 is equal to e की power minus 2x and y2 is equal to e की power 3x. Then we have to find y1 dash, that is y1 dash is equal to e की power minus 2x, and differentiation of minus 2x is minus 2, and y2 dash is e की power 3x, and differentiation of 3x is 3. So we have to find the Rankisian, and from here, that is written here, r is equal to e to the power minus x, and we have to find the Rankisian, that it is denoted by w, y1 y2 and y1 dash and y2 dash. Putting the value, that is y1 is e to the power minus 2x, and y2 is e to the power 3x, and y1 dash is minus 2 e to the power minus 2x, and y2 dash is 3 e to the power 3x. On solving given determinant, that is on cross multiplication, that is 3 e to the power x, minus is already present, that is minus minus is plus 2 e to the power x. That is the value of w is 5 e to the power x. We have to written here w is equal to 5 e to the power x. Then we have to let particular solution of equation 2 is y is equal to v1 y1 plus v2 y2, and from here v1 is given v1 is equal to integration of y2 r upon w dx, and v2 is given integration of y1 r upon w dx. We have to find v1, that is minus is already present, and y2 is e to the power 3x into r is given by e to the power minus x upon w is 5 e to the power x dx. On solving, that is on cancel out e to the power 3x to e to the power x, remaining e to the power 2x and e to the power 2x minus x, that is e to the power x upon 5 minus is already present dx. On integration, that is minus e to the power x 1 by 5. This is the value of v1, and we have to find v2. We have to find v2, that is y1 is e to the power minus 2x into r is given by e to the power minus x upon w is 5 e to the power x dx. From here, that is e to the power 2x and e to the power x, that is e to the power 3x, 5 e to the power 3x upon 5 e to the power x dx. It is v2 is equal to integration of e to the power x taking into numerator, that is e to the power minus x into e to the power minus 3x, that is e to the power minus 4x upon 5 dx. On integration, that is 1 by 5 is common, and e to the power 4x integration is e to the power minus 4x, and differentiation of minus 4x, that is 4, that is divided by 4, that is v2 is, and minus is already v2, no, that is e to the power minus 4x upon 20. This is the value of v2, and this is the equation third. putting the value of v1 and v2 in equation third, that is y is equal to v1 is minus 1 by 5 e की power x into y1 is e to the power, once again y1 is y1 is e की power minus 2x and this is e की power 3x. Putting here v1, value of v1 is minus 1 by 5 e की power x into y1 is e की power minus 2x plus v2 is e की power minus 4x upon 20 into y2 is e की power 3x. And from here, that is y is equal to minus of 1 by 5 and e की power x into e की power minus 2x, that is e की power minus x, and from here plus 1 by 20 and e की power minus 4x into e की power 3x, that is e की power minus x. Taking LCM, that is 20, 5 4 ja 20, that is 4 e की power minus x plus e की power minus x. One second. v2 minus, this is 4, 1 by 20 e की power 4x minus v2 e की power minus y2 is already present, e की power minus x. From here on integration of e की power, one second, some mistake is happened. On finding v1 is given by, it is v1 is equal to minus y2 r upon w dx, that is minus of y2 is given by e की power 3x, e की power 3x into r is e की power minus x. On solving first, integration of e minus e की power 3x into e की power minus x upon e की power 5 e की power x, that is dx, that is e की power x is considered e की power x minus, and from here, that is this is minus v2 minus, and from here, that is putting the value of v2 1 by 20 e की power minus 4x 20x, it is minus, and y is equal to minus 5 e की power minus x upon 20 and from here 5 4 ja 20, that is y is equal to minus 1 by 4 e की power minus x. This is the particular solution of the given differential equation. Thank you class.